Okay everyone, so welcome back to the channel. And first of all, let me tell you that right now the time is 11 o'clock, you can see here, and I am making a video for you. Just now I came back from office and I am making a video right now at 11 o'clock because I thought it is important for you to listen to this, that if you want to come to Japan, then I have got a very great opportunity for you, and make sure that you watch till the end of the video so that you understand the concept, the eligibility criteria and everything. Okay, and before that, in the description I have put one Telegram channel link in which I am going to share different videos and documents and whatnot that will help you in learning Japanese and also for your entertainment. For example, right now if I show you that Kapil Sharma show is there, which is being telecasted on Netflix right now, so it is there. Just click the link and watch the full or video. And I have also uploaded Doraemon series, like Doraemon episodes, so you can go and watch there with Japanese subtitles. So if you are learning Japanese, you can watch that. If you are not learning, then you can enjoy the video also. Now today I'm going to share with you a job opening in Japan, so you can come to Japan. And the best part is that this job opening is for freshers and for experience both. So make sure that you subscribe to this channel right now, because not only today but later also, upcoming days also, whenever I get any good job opportunity for which you can come to Japan, or if you are in India also you can get a good salary package, then you can get the notification and you watch the video and you apply as early as possible, because first come first serve basis is very important when you apply for a job. Right now I want you to press the subscribe button and then the bell button also. And also on this channel you will find vlogs and also some Japanese learning videos, which I am thinking that I'll upload now also, because I stopped uploading Japanese learning videos. So I'll try to make this channel a hub in which you will get everything, entertainment and study related videos and job related videos, so that whenever anything I want to inform you, you get to see it first. So make sure that you subscribe and press the bell. So two things: Telegram channel, follow that, and subscribe and bell. Now let's start with the job opportunity that I have for you today is. So this is the job opportunity in which a fresher and an experience can apply and can come to Japan. If I talk about the Japanese level proficiency test, JLPT level, we are looking right now for N3 level or above. So if you are N3, N2, N1, then you can apply. So somebody yesterday commented that what is N4, N5. So first level of JLPT, Japanese language proficiency test, is N5. Then comes N4, N3, N2 and N1 being the highest. For this particular job opportunity, they are mainly looking for N3 or above. Okay, so N3, N2, N1 can apply. Now they are looking for freshers also, but if you have more than 1 year of experience in IT domain, then you will be given more preference. So any IT degree, any knowledge if you have, then you will be given more preference, because you have two skills now. You are N3 also, then you are experienced also in IT, so obviously you will get an added advantage. Now the third point is that if you have IT or CS related degree, computer science related degree, then you will be given more advantage, more preference. Now the thing is that freshers who are watching the video right now might be getting worried, then we will not get opportunity. This opportunity is not much for us. But let me tell you that there is one point, that if you are a new graduate, like you are a fresher and you have done your graduation in a 4-year university science degree, okay, 4 years, and you have also done N3, JLPT N3 or N2 and N1, then also your applications are acceptable without any experience. So make sure that you have done JLPT N3, N2, N1, and if you have done any 4-year university science degree course, then you are eligible for this opportunity. Now if you say that we don't have N3, we don't have any JLPT certification, then see, if you want to come to Japan, then having the Japanese knowledge, experience and knowledge is must. If you say I don't know Japanese at all and you want to work in Japan, it is possible. It is, I'm not saying it's not possible, but you have to face many challenges in getting jobs also, and in also when you come here also you will face many challenges. So it's always acceptable, it's always preferable that you do N5, N4, N3. Basic is N3. If you have done N3, then you can be relieved. But if you have not done N3, then you should really be a master of coding and all. Okay, then only you can get a chance to come to Japan without any Japanese knowledge. Because I have seen few of my friends who don't know any Japanese and they are learning Japanese now after coming to Japan, but they are very good at coding, Java coding and other coding experience they have. And right now the hiring is going on for a Japanese company. It's not that the company is in Japan and it's a foreign company. It's not like that. This company is a Japanese company. The name is not being disclosed here, so I can't tell you the name of the company, but I have the eligibility criteria and the qualifications that are required for you to come to Japan. Now the last point that I want to convey to you, the best scenario that we are looking for right now is that if you have passion for coding, if you are very good at coding, okay, be it Python, Java, any other computer language, and a solid understanding of technologies and a proficiency in Japanese N3 level, then we want to hire you. So this combination, if you have passion for coding and solid understanding of technologies, because you know technology these days is changing so fast that you have to learn multiple technologies in order to proceed in your career, in order to advance in your career. So coding, understanding of technologies, and JLPT N3, then you are the best fit for this job opportunity. Now there is one mail ID that I'm going to share with you. The mail ID is written in the description. Just go there and send your resume to that mail ID fast, and send your English resume. Along with that, also send your Japanese resume, 2 Japanese resume if you know, and if you don't know, then you should know it. Then you should know that how Japanese companies work, what kind of resumes do they want, do they look for. And I know that many people who want to come to Japan and are not aware about Japanese resume format and how to fill that resume, how to make that resume, because it is a complicated resume. I know that. And there are 2 resumes, Japanese resumes. So many people don't know about it, how to make it. So there is a friend of mine who takes money and prepare Japanese resume for people. So if you want to make Japanese resumes, then you can write the mail to me in the description. Mail ID is there in the description. You can write the mail to me with your query, that what you want. If you want your resumes to be created, I will contact that person, and whatever other charges I'll convey to you. If you are comfortable with that, then you can pay that amount and that guy will prepare resumes for you. And if you want, I can prepare English resume also along with after having discussion with that person. So you will get 2 Japanese resumes and 1 English resume. In that case, you don't have to do anything. Everything you will get it in a plate served. All right. And if you have any other query that you want to ask, you can write me the mail. The mail ID, again I'm saying, is in the description. And for the people who already have their Japanese resumes and English resume ready, send your resumes to the mail ID given in the description. All the best from my side, and if you come to Japan, I will meet you here. Till then, bye bye, take care and have fun.